Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stream a video using VLC media player on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you have VLC media player installed on your iPhone. You can download it free from the App Store. Now open the VLC app on the phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now you need to add the video you want to stream. Tap on the network or files tab or use sharing through Wi-Fi if your video is coming from another device. After importing your video will appear in the video section. Next, tap on the video you want to stream. When the video starts playing, look for the three dots or the edit icon. Tap on it and select edit or stream. Now you will see a timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where streaming happens. Drag the left slider or choose where the video should start and drag the right slider to choose where the video should end. Take your time here. You can play the video to preview the selected part and make sure it's exactly how you want it. Once you are happy with the trim section, tap save or done. VLC will process the video and create a new trim version while keeping the original video safe. And that's it. We have successfully trimmed a video using VLC media player on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.